Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to make fruit flavored and edible lip scrubs just using simple ingredients you can find in your kitchen. And this is really good for preventing dry and flaky lips. This is one of the lip scrubs that I made. This one is available on my website. It's Mango Madness. So you're gonna start with some sugar and some food coloring, and you can use any oil of your choice, but today I will be using coconut oil. So I will be making 4 different flavors today. This one is cherry flavored, and I also added some honey because honey, it's really good for softening and lighting up the skin naturally, but this is completely optional. So this lip scrub is probably one of my favorites because it smells like cherry. It's super easy to make and it just leaves a red tint on the lips, which is kind of nice. So next I'm going to be making a peach flavored lip scrub, and for this lip scrub I'm only using coconut oil, a flavoring oil from Lorraine's, and some food coloring. So here's how the lip scrub looks. I really love the color, and unlike the other one, this one does not leave any tint on the lips, and it smells very peachy. So next I will be making a pink strawberry flavored lip scrub. So here's how the pink lip scrub looks, and what I like about this lip scrub is that it does not only exfoliate the skin, but it also leaves a soft pink tint on the lips, which is really pretty. And last, I'm gonna be making a grape flavored lip scrub. So here's how the grape lip scrub looks, and this lip scrub smells just like grape, and it leaves a soft purple tint on the lips because I added too much coloring, but it's not that noticeable. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And you can also check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, or visit my website bintibeauty.com, and I will see you in the next video.